In a tiny shop that makes big furniture, this mini jointer table just isn't going to cut it. Time for an upgrade. The game plan was to make some space at the ends of my two mobile workbenches to allow the jointer to rest level between them. In order to do that, I had to measure and mimic the width and depth of the actual jointer table onto the workbenches. Then, use the router to hollow them out. I started with the depth at about half that of the final 1 inch to avoid overworking the gouge bit. To get nice clean cuts, I use clamped down straight edges to guide the router. With the first pass done, I use the second pass to take our ledge to its final depth. Then, all that was left to do was wheel the tables into place. This simple upgrade gives me a massive in-feed and out-feed option for the jointer, while still being a part of these modular mobile workbenches that already serve as a table saw mount, router table, extra table saw out-feed space, just general jig storage, and a whole mess of other things. And while most shops won't have these exact benches, my hope is that this gives others in the tiny shop nation some space conscientious ideas. I love when one of these tiny shop upgrades pops into my head. If you do too, and want a heads up when I post my next video, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.